Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to set the PPoE interface under Fortigate and the Intra Vlan routing. So let's going. So first and first, for set the PPoE interface, we need to access the console and we need to digit some command, nothing special. So admin, because you need to do that because otherwise under the GUI you don't see the PPoE interface. So in my lab the PPoE port is port 4. So edit port 4, and here you're going to set mode PPPoE and press enter, and then type end. That's all. I'm not going to do it because my port is already set. So when you did that, you go to the web GUI and type admin. Let's see if it works, because otherwise I'm going to open the other one. Sometimes it's stuck. So admin, and the password admin. So at this point, when you get access, we will see this one. So under interface, port 4, obviously you have to select. So double click or one click and then edit, up to you. And you see, I got PPoE interface. My interface is already up, as you can see. I'm receiving the IP from the router in it's called Milan or Milano in Italian. Then username admin and the password admin. That's all. I received my connection. Now, the Intra Vlan routing. So in Cisco, when you set the interface, there is a tick. Then you say basically all interface with the same security level allow the access, right? Now, in Fortigate, instead there's not really like that. So under policy and object, you have to do that. For example, in my case, if I'm open PC 14, then it's in VLAN 20, and I'm trying to ping a computer in VLAN 90. So in this case is 192.168.90.3. Then you see it works, because obviously now the Intra Vlan routing it works. So for achieve this one, you have to do, well, simple is a very big word, because you have to do the policy in both of way. So for example, if you look at this, you see Intra Vlan routing, because obviously this is the name I choose, 20 to 90, source all, can be very specific if I want, but in this case all, destination all, and service all. And I have another policy here, Intra Vlan routing 90 to 20, address, this one is specific instead, this one I put general, this is specific, but I put like this just for obviously video purpose. Destination VLAN 20 and the service all. Let's see how the policy look like. Now, this is the only way I found. If somebody else have another way, more faster, please let me know, because otherwise, if you have, for example, 50 VLANs, you need to create 100 policy. Okay, it's very granular and specific like this, but you never finish to configure this firewall. And I try to find on the wiki and even here the settings, but I didn't find anything special regarding this. So please, if you know something more, let me know. So basically the name, okay, I choose incoming interface VLAN 20, outgoing interface VLAN 90, source all, and service all. So once you press OK, as I showed you, the routing, it works in both way. Let me see, show by IP, because I don't remember, .3. So going to ping this one, and let me see, PC11, and ping 192.168.20.3. That's all. And then you see in both of way it works, because if you don't do that, only one way it works, and obviously is not the most beautiful configuration. For this part, I think is everything regarding the intra-VLAN routing. So in the end of the way, in the end of the day, the configuration itself, it's very simple. There is nothing special. In my opinion, it takes too much. It's too much longer. Um, and then maybe it's not really fast to set like this, but apparently works in this way. Usually I'm not using Fortigate, I'm using most of the time Palo Alto and Checkpoint, and Cisco too. So I prefer Cisco because I have the tick, then I'm setting the same level security and the routing bang is already active. Palo Alto is almost the same. This one it don't seem so. But again, if you know more, please let me know. And that's all. So you know how to set the PPO interface, how to set the intra-VLAN routing. Of course, for internet you have to set, let me see where is networking. No, this networking is here. Static root. I got two routes here. One the default route, two static route for the PPO interface. Then I say the gateway is not reachable at the moment because so basically the configuration has been done yesterday. I need to check if is everything okay, because I will have to keep going to set all lab, but first moving before moving on this part of the lab, so VPN between Palo Alto and Fortigate, Cisco and Fortigate, between Cisco and Palo Alto. Before do that, I will set Windows Server as domain controller, because one user asked me if I can show from the beginning, from the scratch, how to set the domain controller, so Windows Server. Then I'm going to activate the PRTG. So, and then we need to set the switches for the, for receiving the SNMP. Then we'll see how it look like on PRTG, this small lab. And then after that I will move on with the VPN for the other firewall and routers and the BGP part. The BGP is actually already config, so I shouldn't take very long the video. So for now is everything. Thank you for watching.